Aiming Fluid Golf sent me this towel for my review, and if you are a golfer, you know you need towels on your bag. Check this one out. This is a 16 by 24, so of course, a really nice towel, but it's got some really cool features that you need to know about. So why would you need a towel to play golf? Well, of course, you need to be cleaning your golf clubs, but what I often do is sometimes my hands get gritty, my hands get grimy, I need to actually clean my hands. And I love the fact that this has that waffle texture, as you can see, and it's really easy to grab onto any type of dust, material, what have you, dirt, and just clean your hands or your golf clubs. Now, if your golf clubs have a really terrible, and let's grab one like this, terrible surface that needs cleaning, just like this one, check this out. I'm going to show you something that I've never seen on a towel. Look at this. This even has a scrubbing pad section. So all you need to do is, of course, grab your club and start scrubbing. Look at this. I'm just scrubbing with it. You can add water if you want, but look at that. It actually is transferring that dirt onto that towel, which is the whole entire point. I think that thing is great. Now, the other cool thing with Aiming Fluid Golf is that if you do have a magnetic pad that is that you can actually hook up onto your bag, this towel will magnetically stick to your bag, so you'll never have to use a carabiner, or you never have to just put it in one of the pockets. Now, if you do want to use a carabiner, they even include one for you. So if you're playing and you want to have it on your body, on your belt, you can do that, no problem. Or maybe you have the towel and you're not yet convinced that you've got to have that magnetic pad. Well, you don't need to use the magnetic here or the magnet right here. You can use a carabiner. But yeah, this thing is really, really nice. I love the size. 16 by 24 is just perfect enough, and it is a nice thick material, and it is machine washable for easy cleanup.